Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am making one of most popular Bengali evening snack, fried eggplant with gram flour or besan, also known as beguni. Please keep watching this video step by step till the end how I make it. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. We will make the batter first. I am taking 2/3 cup gram flour or besan, 1/4 cup rice flour, pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground ginger or ginger powder, 1 teaspoon ground garlic with parsley mix. You can also use ginger garlic paste or you can skip them if you don't like. Half teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds. Just crush it little bit. Now add water gradually. Beat it properly. And carom seeds or ajwain helps to digest. That's why I have added. The batter should not be very thin or not too thick. Our batter is ready. As you can see the consistency. Keep aside. Here I am taking one medium size eggplant or bengan, but I will take some. We have to make thin slices. As you can see, it should not be thick or not too thin. Now we'll soak it in plain water for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's heat up the oil. Heat up the oil on high heat. Here I have taken some vegetable oil. You can use mustard oil to make the beguni. It's been 5 minutes. Now we have to dry them. Take a kitchen towel. Take kitchen paper towel and try to dry them. Kitchen paper towel will absorb the excess water. Add some salt to coat them properly. We have already added some salt in the batter, so we don't need too much salt to coat them. Okay, now let's check the oil. Put some batter to check the oil. Oil is hot enough. Take them out. We have to wait for a few minutes and keep the flame on medium to low. Beat the batter a little bit. Keep ready the kitchen paper towel. Now dip into the batter. Fry both sides evenly. Leave them for a couple of times. I love to eat this extra fried batter. Gram flour. One batch is done. Let me take them out. And let me finish the remaining beguni. Then we'll serve it. Let's sprinkle some black salt. Enjoy this beguni with a cup of tea. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.